I'm currently at Schiphol Airport on my way to Copenhagen. I'm sorry if the audio is not so good. I'll add some captions so that you can hear what I'm saying, but I'm at the really small gate here at the Schiphol. It's gate M and it's really tiny and it's really crowded. This was the most quiet, peaceful spot I can find, and as you can hear, it's still not very quiet or peaceful. But yeah, today I'm flying to Copenhagen, where I'm going to be meeting up with a friend. She's flying there from Finland. We're going to be spending the next 2 nights and about 3 days in Copenhagen, which I'm super excited about. I think my plane is about to board soon. It's time to start heading there and to take off to Copenhagen.
Baan waarvan we gaan opstijgen en dan een uurtje vliegtijd.
We'll now take you to the safety features of this Airbus A319. Please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions.
We have just landed and now I need to go and try and find my friend who is somewhere here at the airport.
In a few minutes from Copenhagen.
Oh, it looks like a spaceship. At dinner, we decided to come and eat to this really cool looking Asian restaurant. The food was really good, although I must say it was really expensive. I ordered this fried rice with vegetables and a portion of 3 dumplings and a water, and it all cost me 38 euros, which is quite a lot of money if you ask me. So we just came to the Tivoli Gardens. It closes in like a bit over an hour, but we kind of wanted to come here when it's a bit more calm and all the pretty lights are here. Good morning.
So much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting this time. Much but a light from a falling sky, apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, applying to the forces above this life.
I can see.
So we were walking for half an hour, trying to look for a nice cafe or terrace, and I don't know, we just couldn't find anything. So we eventually gave up and we decided to come to the cafe slash bar at our hostel. And the benches are so comfortable. Should I take this one or this one? When you get tiny tacos, you get burgers after dinner. She is the one to blame for the background entertainment.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like a strange love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can give you here?
Copenhagen Airport. 2 adults. So I was originally going to be sitting in quite a bad seat on the last row in like a middle seat, and I just randomly got given a much better seat right in the front and an aisle spot, so I'm super happy about that.
And unfasten. Your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please.